Good morning, class 4. Welcome to the online computer class. Today we will continue our chapter 4, that is Tools of Word 2010, formatting a document. Let's recapitulate first. We have read about how to make a text bold, italic and underline a text, striking through the text and highlighting the text in the previous class. Today we will continue with the new topic, that is text alignment. Kids, in your screen there is a picture, that is there are 4 buttons are showing in your screen. These 4 buttons are used for alignment of text in MS Word. So first of all we should read about what is alignment of text. Kids, alignment means or refers to the positioning of the text on a page. Generally, kids, it is always better to set the alignment of a text before typing. Okay, but you can also change the alignment after typing the text also. Kids, generally, there are 4 types of alignment of text available in MS Word. They are left, center, right and justified. Let's read them all one by one. First of all, left aligned text. Kids, a paragraph text is left aligned when it is aligned evenly along the left margin. There are 2 ways through which we can do the left alignment in the MS Word. First is by home tab and second one is by shortcut key, that is Ctrl or Ctrl plus L. So let's see practically how we will do the left alignment of text. Kids, this is Microsoft Word document. Okay, see, these 4 buttons are used for alignment. So first of all, to change your alignment, we need to select this document first. Now, for left text alignment, we need to click on this button, this one. See, the whole text is now left aligned. See, all the margins are now shifted to the left side of this document. Now, center aligned text. A paragraph is said to be centrally aligned when it is in the center of the page to the left and right margin. Okay. Kids, as left aligned text, there are also 2 ways through which we can align any text in MS Word. First is by home tab and second one is by shortcut key, that is Ctrl or Ctrl plus E. Let's see how to do this. Now kids, we will see how to do the center alignment of a text. As before, I have selected the text, okay, and then I will click on this center alignment text button in the home tab. See, I am clicking on it. See, all the text is now center aligned. The right side and the left side, that is the margin, are now equally distributed. As left aligned text, we will do the same as right aligned text. Kids, a paragraph text is right aligned when it is aligned evenly along the right margin of the MS Word document. Kids, right aligned text is also to be done through 2 ways. First is by home tab and second one is by shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus R. Now let's see practically how to align right of the text. Now come up to right alignment of text. As we have done the left alignment and the center alignment, we will do the right alignment of text also by clicking on this right alignment text button of the home tab. See, I am clicking on this, but before doing that I have selected my text. Okay, see, I am clicking on this button. See, my text has now right aligned. All these text are moved towards the right side of the MS Word document. Okay. Justified text means when the text is aligned evenly along the left and the right margins. That means the whole text will be equally and evenly aligned through both sides of the margin, that is left and right side of the MS Word document. So justified is also done through home tab and through the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+J. So kids, let's see how to do it. Now we will see the most frequently used text alignment, that is justified. See, this one, the last button is used for justified. For justifying the text, kids, we have already selected our text. Then now simply go to this button and click on it. See, I have selected the justified button. Now they are means the text are now evenly in order of left and right margin throughout the whole document. Kids, here is the classwork questions. First of all, what is alignment of text? Second one, how many types of text alignment available on MS Word? Third one is, what is justified text? And next one is, you have to write down the shortcut keys of left text alignment, right text alignment, center alignment, justified text. Okay, you have to note each and every questions also and write their answers in your computer copy only, and send me before 2 p.m. Till then, bye bye, take care.